Is finding the right support number for your bank always a bit of a maze? If you're an EverBank client or thinking of becoming one, you know that getting fast, reliable help is non-negotiable. Whether you have a quick question about your account, need to report a lost card, or are looking for specialized service, knowing exactly where to turn can save you a lot of time and stress. That's what we're here for today, to cut through the noise and give you the essential EverBank phone numbers and support options right now. First up, the main client support line. For most general inquiries, account assistance, or technical support, the primary number you need is 1-888-882-3837. This dedicated client support team is available Monday through Friday, typically from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Time, and on Saturday from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Plus, for simple self-service transactions like checking a balance, their automated telephone banking is available 24/7. Now, some things are urgent and need a specialized number. If you have a lost or stolen debit card, the good news is you call the same main line, 1-888-882-3837. They'll act fast to secure your account. But what about credit cards? Depending on when your card was opened, you'll have a different number. For credit cards opened in 2025 or later, call 1-800-558-3424. For credit cards opened prior to 2025, the number is 1-800-738-2615. It's smart to keep the one that applies to you saved in your phone. For other specialized needs, like support for EverBank's world markets for foreign currency and precious metals, the direct line is 1-800-926-4922. If you have a question about a mortgage loan serviced by Loan Care, you'll want to call their customer care team at 1-844-436-0374. Of course, phone support isn't the only option. EverBank also offers robust digital support. You can use their secure email service by logging into your account on the business online banking platform and using the Contact Us option. This is the safest way to send sensitive information. And don't forget their mobile app and online banking, which offer numerous self-service options, from checking your balance to managing your debit card. And finally, for those who prefer face-to-face interaction, you can always visit one of EverBank's financial centers during their operating hours. So, to quickly recap, the main general support number is 1-888-882-3837. Use that as your starting point for most questions. Remember, knowing these numbers up front means you're prepared no matter what comes up. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.